Are you a real estate manager looking to take your business to new heights? We've got something special just for you.
Introducing the PLR Top 100 Chat Prompts for Real Estate Managers.
Benefit 1. From maximizing profits to navigating rental regulations, these prompts cover it all. Get ready for a game-changing resource.
Benefit 2. Streamline maintenance, boost property value, and stay on top of market trends. It's like having a personal advisor in your pocket.
Benefit 3. Worried about compliance? Tenant retention? We've got the secrets that every manager should know. It's your key to success.
Benefit 4. Turn vacancies into opportunities and ensure legal compliance. With these prompts, you'll always be steps ahead of the game.
Benefit 5. Discover the power of sustainable solutions and green practices. Not only is it great for the environment, but it's fantastic for your bottom line.
Benefit 6. Embrace technology to manage properties efficiently. It's time to revolutionize your approach and see remarkable results.
Benefit 7. Whether it's negotiating lease agreements or mastering market analysis, we've got you covered. Say goodbye to uncertainty.
Benefit 8. And that's not all. With 92 more prompts covering every aspect of real estate management, you'll have an unbeatable edge.
Don't miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your real estate management career. Click the checkout below and get instant access.
PLR Top 100 Chat Prompts for Real Estate Managers. Elevate your game today.